Welcome to another video in which we are going to write Python program to delete an element from a dictionary. So guys, we will see how we can delete a key value pair from a dictionary in two ways. So the very first way is using the del keyword, and the second way is by using the pop method of the dictionary. So let us check this with the help of examples now in the VS Code. So guys, the very first thing that we will be doing is define the dictionary. So let's say we have this dict1 as the variable name, and then we have the open and close curly braces, and inside this we will have the key value pairs which will define the dictionary. So let's say we have the key 1, and the value for this key, that is 1, is the string representation of this number, that is 1. Similarly, we have the key that is 2, and then the value we will have is the string representation of this number, that is 2, and so on. We have 3 as well, and then let's say we provide the value as 3 over here, and one more element, let's say we have 4, and then we have the string representation of 4. So guys, these are the key value pairs inside the dictionary variable over here. And let's say we want to delete the key 3. So how we can delete that? So the very first method is by using the del keyword. So let us check this. So what we can do is simply we can use the del keyword. So as you can see, VS Code is suggesting us this del keyword in order to delete one of the key value pairs from the dictionary. So we will use this keyword over here, and then we have to specify the dictionary variable, that is dict1 over here. Along with that, inside the open and close square brackets, we have to provide which key we want to delete. So in this case, we want to delete this key, that is 3 over here. So we specify 3 in this case. And let's say we want to print the dictionary after deleting this key. So we will simply have dict1 over here being printed after deleting the key. So we will simply provide the string, that is after deleting, and then colon, and then over here we will have comma. And then guys, before deleting as well, we will print the entire dictionary so that we know the status of the dictionary variable before deleting the key. So over here we will say before deleting, and then again we have the dict1 variable in this case. So let me just save this file now and try running this code. So as you can see, we have got before deleting, and then we have got 1 over here, then we have the key 2, and then we have 3, and then we have 4 over here. So all the 4 keys are present before deleting. Now guys, after deleting, that is by using this statement, we are deleting the key that is representing the number 3. So over here we are getting after deleting statement, and then we have got 1, 2, and then after that we have got 4. So there is no key with the value 3 over here in this case. That's because we have deleted by using this del keyword in order to delete the key value pair over here. So guys, this is one of the ways in order to delete the key value pair from the dictionary. Now guys, what is the other method? As you can see, we also have the pop method over here, which will help us in order to delete the key value pair. In this case guys, this pop method returns the value of the key that is being deleted, so we can print that value as well. So over here what we will do is simply, I'll just remove this line of code over here. Instead of delete keyword, we will be using the pop method. So over here what we will be doing is we will print the outcome of that pop method. So over here we will say element deleted, and then colon, and then after that we provide comma, and then we can simply use the dictionary variable over here. In this case it is dict1, and then followed by dot, and then we have the pop method. So guys, this is the inbuilt method related to the dictionary variable over here that can help us in order to remove the key value pair. So we will use this method, and this method expects the key to be the parameter that needs to be passed in order to delete that key. So over here we will provide the parameter as 3 because that is the key that we want to delete once again. So guys, over here let me just save this file now and try running this code once again. So as you can see, before deleting we have got all the keys, that is 1, 2, 3, and then 4, and then the element that is deleted, as you can see, we have got the value of that key which is being passed over here to the pop method, and the value is 3, and then after deleting we have got the keys that is 1, 2, and then 4. So the key that is 3 is not present over here. So guys, this is another way in order to delete the key value pair from the dictionary that you can use by using the pop method over here. here. Guys, what value will be printed over here on the element deleted if we provide parameter as 1 in this case? Let me know in the comment section below. Let us see whether your answer is correct or not. So please make sure that you practice on your own so that you are successfully able to comment the right answer. Make sure that you like this video so that it reaches to more people, and subscribe to the channel so that you get the notifications on upcoming videos as well. The next video that we are going to talk about is Python program to create a long multi-line string. So stay tuned.